Get a beautifully maintained home at the push of a button. Irobot Roomba 600 series vacuum cleaning robots provide a superior level of clean with less work for you. Roomba vacuums your carpets and hard floors on its own, picking up dirt, dust, and fibers like pet hair, lint, and carpet fuzz, giving you a truly hassle-free cleaning experience from beginning to end. Roomba's patented 3-stage cleaning system combines with AeroVac technology for maximum cleaning performance for all floor types. First, the spinning side brush cleans along wall edges, grabbing dirt and pushing it into the path of Roomba's counter-rotating brushes. These brushes work together to lift dust, debris, and hair off the floor. A powerful vacuum then pulls the dirt and hair off of Roomba's brushes and into the AeroVac bin. Optimized airflow guides the dirt and hair to the back of the bin, allowing it to fill more evenly and requiring you to empty it less often. With iAdapt responsive cleaning technology, iRobot's advanced system of software and sensors, Roomba chooses from dozens of robotic behaviors more than 60 times per second. Roomba makes multiple passes over every section of your floor. Getting under and around furniture, and along wall edges. Going under bed skirts and curtains. Avoiding stairs. And navigating through loose wires. With Dirt Detect, a feature of iAdapt, Roomba uses an acoustic sensor to find dirtier areas and then spends more time cleaning them. Designed with your convenience in mind, Roomba is easy to use and starts working for you at the push of the Clean button. Roomba returns to its home base to dock and recharge between cleanings. Select models also include a virtual wall room barrier and onboard scheduling, which allows you to preset up to 7 times per week for Roomba to clean, even when you're not home. A beautifully maintained home, a hassle-free cleaning experience. Irobot Roomba 600 series vacuum cleaning robots.